policies. You are not need to edit this policy because Rasa gives a inbuilt policies to you, and it's perform well at the initial phase. So I'm just uncommenting it. Okay, let's take a high level look at what happens when the TED policies make a prediction, because this policy using TED policy. If you are not getting that what I'm trying to say, then no worry in that, but please try to be with me. Okay, at the each dialog run, the TED policy takes three pieces of information as input: the user's message, the previous system action that was predicted, and the value saved to the assistant bot as slot. I'm covering later what is slot is, don't worry for now, but you can assume that slots is your bot memory. You can save something in these slot. Now next what happen, a dense layer is applied to the transformers output to get amendings, numeric features used to approximate the meaning of text, right? For the dialogue context and system section, the difference between the amendings is calculated, and the TED policy maximizes the similarity of your target labels and minimize the similarities with your incorrect one. Now all possible systems actions are ranked according to their similarity, and the action with the highest similarity is selected and shown to the user. This is the gist of TED policy. If you want to go deeper in that, you can find it on Rasa documentation. Now that's all for the policies. Let's see that how your Rasa NLU model output is look like. For seeing those output, you just need a shell command, which is Rasa shell NLU. It will load only your Rasa NLU model. Now I'm trying to give input which is not in your training dataset. Let's say I'm going to give a input which is classified as your mood greet intent, and I'm giving a message that I'm feeling amazing. And as you can see now, there are no predefined training data which says a message which is I'm feeling amazing. So I just say I am feeling amazing today. This is the type of output that your Rasa NLU model gives, and this output is used by your Rasa core model. Now it says you that your text is classified as mood greet, and that's what we want. So in backend it uses a Word2Vec model which help to classify this intent, and it also giving you the ranking of others intent and the confidence number to each those intent. That's all for this, and let's move to our next terminology.